What if I told you your morning cereal could be making you tired, not energized? Sounds crazy, right? But most people get this wrong. Let's fix that. Here are 3 insanely nutritious breakfast ideas that will keep you full and focused. Forget those sugar-loaded cereals that leave you hungry an hour later. These 3 breakfast ideas are packed with fiber, protein, and the right carbs to power your day. And wait till you see the last one. It's a game changer. Overnight oats, but with a twist. Mix rolled oats with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and a scoop of almond butter. Why? This combo packs over 20 grams of protein, keeping you full for hours. Add some berries for an antioxidant boost. The best part? It takes 2 minutes to prep. And trust me, this isn't just healthy, it tastes amazing. You've heard of quinoa for dinner, but what about breakfast? Cooked quinoa with almond milk, walnuts, and a dash of cinnamon. This is next-level nutrition. High in protein, loaded with healthy fats, and keeps blood sugar stable all morning. Bonus, it's naturally gluten-free. This is the powerhouse breakfast you need to try. Ditch the processed cereals and go for homemade superfood cereal, a mix of flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut flakes, and dark chocolate nibs. Pour over almond milk and boom, you've got a crunchy, delicious, and nutrient-packed bowl of energy. Now, if you want next-level energy and focus, you need to pair these with the right morning habits. Click here to watch my video on morning routines that supercharge your metabolism. Trust me, it's a game changer.